Namaste, myself JVN, Gaurav Goyal. Today we are going to discuss about the velocity and acceleration. The second topic is the propagation of sound wave. These are the important topic in the general edition. First, in the BScRT first sem, let me discuss about velocity. The meaning of velocity of an object can be defined as the rate of change of object's position with respect to a frame of reference and time. It might sound complicated, but velocity is basically speeding in a specific direction. It is a vector quantity, which means we need both magnitude, speed, and direction to define velocity. The SI unit of velocity is the meter per second. If there is a change in magnitude or in the direction in the velocity of a body, the body is said to be accelerating. Initial and final velocity. Initial velocity describes how fast an object travels when gravity first applies force on an object. On the other hand, the final velocity is a vector quantity that measures the speed and direction of a moving body after it has reached its maximum acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. Any change in the velocity of an object result in an acceleration. Increasing speed, what people usually mean when they say acceleration. Decreasing speed, also called deceleration or retardation, or changing direction called centripetal acceleration. Calculating acceleration involves dividing velocity by time. Unit is the in term of SI unit, dividing the meter per second by time second, dividing distance by time twice is the same as dividing distance by the square of time. Thus, the SI unit of acceleration is the meter per second square. Propagation of sound. Ultrasound is produced by a transducer by piezoelectric effect, and US pulse is passed in a straight line. Sound is a mechanical energy that propagates through an elastic medium in the form of waves with compression and rarefaction. It is a longitudinal wave, sinusoidal wave, and wavelength lambda is the distance between successive wave crests. Successive wave crest. Frequency f is the number of cycle per second hertz, and 1 hertz is equal to 1 cycle per second. Period t is the time taken for one complete cycle, and it is equal to 1 by f. The velocity of sound c, wavelength, and frequency are related as follow. C is equal to lambda f meter per second. The velocity is inversely proportional to compressibility, and it depends on temperature of the medium. Sound will travel faster in solid and slower in gases. Average velocity in the soft tissue of the sound wave is 1540 meter per second. It is higher in bone and metal, lower in lung and air compressor. So, thank you. This session is over. The session is powered by the digital version 2.0 JVWU Women's University Jaipur. Thank you.